This is a multi-station and a multi-program servo press feeding machine, which adapts the third-generation servo press feeding system. It with pressure control, displacement control, real-time curve graph display, and a multi-section press arbitrarily set in. The press feeding system has 485 communication and Ethernet communication. It can also connect to the MES system. Besides, it can be seamlessly connected with automated production lines and unmanned workshops. 2. Equipment with simple operation. 1. Set press feeding parameters on the press feeding software. 2. Manually fix the material on the translational table. 3. Start the equipment with both hands. 4. Move the equipment platform to the set position. 5. The pressure head presses down the workpiece. The press fitting is completed. 6. The equipment judges OK or NG and gave a signal. 7. The equipment platform continues to move to the next set position. 8. The pressure head presses down to work according to different press feeding schemes. 9. After cyclic pressing to the final working position, the platform returns to the waiting position. 10. Manually remove the workpiece. 11. Press feeding finish.